Oi, oi, everybody! Hello, 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 hello! Hi! So, today, burger of the day. However, it is going to be different. I will not be drawing. And don't worry, I won't be cooking. We are on episode 10. So I figured every 10 I would do something different. But this is the burger that I'm going to be doing. Maybe you can chive my car burger. It's like Bob Belcher's first burger of the day. Technically, I guess. But it's even got a reference there, so I did actually handpick this one out. There was a couple, because I am going to be making this out of clay, so I would rather have a reference there. Supplies that we need: clay, water, sculpting, paper, tissues. It all goes. So, like I said, clay. We've made a little template here so that I can judge sizes. The only thing that I've made out of clay is Will You. My other clay creation. So this is going to be interesting because I can't decide whether I should be making it together as a burger. Layers. I don't know. So, like I say, I've created a template here to give me a size, because when I draw a burger, I put outlines and like guidelines to make sure that they're the same size. So the bun matches the bottom bun. Do you see what I'm saying? Straight. On this, I was like, how do I do that? So I created like this template. When this is the bottom bun, and I've stuck a paperclip in there to create a hole all the way through, because we need to, in the actual burger it's got toothpicks, so we need to create toothpicks as well. But obviously I need holes in it, and I can't do it when it's dry. So I'm doing this while measuring it against the other one. A little disappointed in this top bun. It is a little on the thin side depth wise, but I'm currently trying to put some burger seeds on the top. This was the most annoying part. So small. I had to make little tiny seeds and just sort of try and stick them onto the bun. Annoying, but I think it pays off in the end. Believe it or not, they are actually the same sort of roundness as each other. It's just the depth of this top bun, which I messed up on, but we're not going to dwell on it. This is only my second attempt at clay, so so now I'm working on the burger. I just keep rolling it and making sure that it stays to the right size and smoothing out the edges. But a burger's a burger. It's going to be lumpy, it's going to be bumpy, it'll be fine. This bit, however, this is the chive sauce, or I can't remember what they called it in the book. But yeah, this bit was annoying. I couldn't get it to smooth out. This was the only layer I decided to stick on top of the burger because it was so thin. I was so scared of it breaking. I'm now putting some chive bits in the I don't know what to call it. It's like Chevrolet or something like that. That sounds like a car. So I'm now working on the pickles, because on the burger it's got pickles as wheels on the burger. So baby, you can chive my car. Get it? If you don't get it, go away. So I'm working with these, mold them into a shape, because obviously they need to sit. They need to have sort of a flat bottom so that they can sit on the surface. Otherwise the burger's just going to be precariously hanging on these thin pickles. And with how heavy the burger, the bun and all that is, it's kind of scary. So I have an idea to make a plate for this as well. So I'm kind of cheating and using my plate as a template because it was the right size and I could get the right indentations, as you can see. I'm glad I did it this way because it would have come out so wonky. But I'm just sort of moulding it in. I waited a week for it to dry, obviously. Oh, I lost a pickle. But it's together. It's worked. Yay. My pickles are a little loose, but we can fix that in the Mod Podge stage. It's fine. So I've also added a little bit of clay onto the end of the paper clips so that I can turn them into... what's it? Toothpicks, that's the word. I had this video planned for so long. I kept putting it off. I was petrified. And I don't get why, because it didn't go that badly with Will You? It kind of went well. I think it's this stage. I don't like the painting stage. It's the waiting for things to dry. If I could have 2 workstations, I think it would be okay. But we're kind of getting ahead of ourselves right now. This is sanding the stage and gesso. So we're going to sand everything down. It's not that it's rough or bumpy or anything, but the plate especially could use some sanding around the edges to make that a little bit smoother. Plus we've got some bumps and whatever from the baking paper. So we're just going to sand that all down. And use another brush to get all the extras off. You can see how thin that top bun is now. This is what I'm realising. I'm like, wah, it went wrong. But I have no more clay. I used the rest of my clay that I had in this, so... I don't know whether you want to see more clay. I have no objections. I just hate the painting stage, but the making of it I quite enjoyed. Let me know down below if you want me to do more clay stuff. But I'm hoping every 10 episodes of this I could do something different. So draw in between, and then I don't know, episode 20 I'll make it out of origami or something. See, it's a lot of waiting. I just can't do it. I'm not patient. Yeah, the toothpicks, or the paper clips that I'm making into tooth clips, I had to stick in a sponge. I didn't know how else to paint them or anything like that, so... There was a difference in this painting though. I took into account that it dries darker. This paint, I don't know whether it's actual with any other paint, but I did take that into account this time and I was very surprised by myself. So we've done, most of it's brown or like a variety of brown. We've got the bun, the burger, and then the chives and the pickles are green. So it's only technically 2 colours, plus obviously white. And I'm doing a bit of shading on this plate. It looks awful at this moment, but trust the process. That's what I have learnt in my nearly 2 years of drawing and crafting. In my 2 attempts at clay. Trust the process. Sorry. So I think it's white, the like cheese sauce, but I figured I'd just give it a little tinge of green. And then just sorting out my pickles. I love these pickles. I think I did a fantastic job. Look at them. And wait till they're glossed. They look even better. Oof. Could just eat them. So we're just doing coats now. And you will see some other bits here and there. Like, I had a little bit of clay left, so I made a thumb. A YouTube thumbs up like thing. And there's also a card there that says pass the pig. That was a test because I want to paint a deck of cards, but I haven't got any ideas yet for the deck of cards. I had a little boo-boo there, as you can see. I tried stacking it together and it got stuck to the burger. So now we just gotta assemble my pickles on my burger, on my burger bun. Everything's done now. It's not gessoed, Mod Podged. Put my pickles in, trying to remember which way they go. The length of these toothpicks, paper clips, changed at least 5 times, I think. I didn't want to Mod Podge the pickles in there. It was the original plan, but oh, it just got a bun now. When I worked on it, clay, the clay bit, I made sure they all stacked together, but somewhere along the line they've become unbalanced-ish. It's just a slight little bobble. But there we go. This is Baby You Can Chive My Car episode. I thoroughly enjoyed this one, except for the painting stage. I put it off for so long, but at the same time, I've got it done. It's a very good episode, I find. But here it is on the plate. I don't think I did that badly, considering it's only my 2nd attempt at clay. I love the freaking plate. I'm like, can I just not make my own plates now? Look at it. Looks like a real plate. I mean, it is a real plate. I made the plate. But it looks like a real plate. But I love this thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's currently sat on top of the printer, so there you go. But yay! Yay me! Yay me! Yay! I did it! I did it! I did it! But yeah, let us know if you enjoyed this episode. But I will tell you, there was one point that I was testing stacking it together after it was painted and everything, and the dog actually thought it was a burger, and he was like begging for it. See, it's that convincing. Yeah, I'm getting slightly annoyed at these because they keep falling out. But it'll be fine. It's like a puzzle. You have to get all the pickles in the right place and not let them rotate by the time you put it down on the plate. See, we're there. Wait, no, that one's moved. Damn it! There! Figured it out. Push the toothpicks in. And there's my thumbs up as well. My clay collection, you see. Look. Chomp. Chomp. I'm trying to make the dog think that I'm eating it. I'm offering it to him. He's like, no. Don't give the pickles to the dog. He's having none of it. He's having none of it. He wants none of my burger. Rude, right? Yeah, this angle you can really see the difference in the depth. Like the bottom bun is really chunky and the top is not. But hey ho. Mistakes were made. We will live with them. Now I've got to try and put pickles back on. Oh my lord, why did I do that? I swear, the ending of this video is actually the longest part of this video. Never mind the like 2-week process of making the burger. No. It's me trying to put these pickles on the burger. That's it. Don't touch it. Okay. Just scooch it. If you could please give this video a thumbaro, it would be very much appreciated. And I do have a question for you. Will you subscribe? Pretty please. With a pickle on top. Anyway, back to drawing in the next one. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye! Subscribe. Pretty please! Pickles on top and everything.